Tired of manually generating test data for your MySQL tables? Enter the MySQL Random Data Generator. This powerful, free, and open-source tool automatically generates random test data based on table definitions, saving you time and effort. Download it today and make your life easier. The MySQL Random Data Generator takes advantage of MySQL's deep understanding of its own tables, allowing for effortless data generation that eliminates the need for time-consuming Perl or shell scripts with loops. Let MySQL handle the heavy lifting so you don't have to. The MySQL Random Data Generator comes equipped with a set of deterministic functions for generating random values tailored to individual data types, such as strings, enums, floats, dates, and more. This means you can easily generate customized random data that's both efficient and reproducible. The MySQL Random Data Generator includes a stored procedure that populates your specified MySQL tables with dummy data. If you enable debug mode, it will even print the executed SQL for your review. The getString function generates a random alphanumeric string of the specified length, making it perfect for creating unique identifiers or complex passwords. The getEnum function generates a random value from an enum definition, ensuring that you're working with valid enum values when generating test data. The MySQL Random Data Generator demonstrates that MySQL is capable of generating its own table data, making it easier than ever to create and manage test data, say goodbye to time-consuming scripting, and allow to a more streamlined approach to test data generation.